So we arrived to Buenaventura and trying to get a boat now. So wonder where this is gonna be. Just in the city center, still some Christmas decoration. Spending the day. Going to see the seaport. A gringo is putting on his war paint. Yes, you're a star now. You're a star.
I know.
So there is another boat, a cargo boat. Will take a bit longer, but will also work. Someone has to be the star, someone has to be the cameraman.
Yeah.
So this is our home for the next time.
Hello.
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 You want to see? Mira aquí. This is you.
Sorry, I just wanted to
Us.
because it's funny. It's a bomb. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Con gusto.
What did
What did we do?
In my opinion, it's a little bit.
su nombre?
Mi nombre es Mark.
Y ella.
Ella, Ana.
Y el niño.
Bueno.
Vamos para allá. Now.
Oh, welcome to the jungle. Just arrived to Bahia Solano, and the next step is to find a lantern for my friend, because obviously he lost it, and then going to El Valle, and then let's see.
One wheel.
after a full day of rain, 24 hours of rain, packing to get ready for a little nice jungle trip. Almost finished. Here we go, about to leave, or we already left, having a little beach walk, and then into the jungle. And let's see how it's gonna be after 24 hours of rain. If we can pass or not.
Good place to fill up because I'm already almost out of water, mate.
Yeah, fill up more upstream in this little waterfall. In the mid of the jungle, we finally found the trail which I wanted to find, and now the next stop is Cascada El Tigre, and stay there for at least a night. This was your bottle. That's why I keep them inside.
Yeah, it's better. Oh, look, I still have
No, throw it to me now. You can do it on the other side.
Yes, okay.
Abba, got it. It's quite a struggle to find the right path. It's just a super mini path, and to find it is really hard to keep it, and without the GPS would be really hard, would be almost impossible to find this track. And hopefully in less than 1 hour to reach the waterfall, because we're also running out of water. Wow. That's a tree.
We arrived at La Tigre. El Tigre. So this is going to be our home for maybe some days. I sleep in the hammock and with this view. Tasty. Solid. No. So we have a little walk to the next beach to find another waterfall and hopefully coconuts. And the food for today. Preparing dinner. Fish inside, fish outside. Super tasty. Pargo rojo in barbecue. I should have just put it straight on the meat. Back on the trail after 2 days in this amazing beach. Back to the village. Will be a rough jungle hike, but at least we know the trail now, so a little easier. And I almost got lost. I took another path, but finally back to the beach. Wow, I never sweated so much in my life. I really need a beer now. Over and out.